All right, this is I Almost Let Go. I hope you guys are blessed by it.